How to fix TikTok black screen easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to the settings on your phone and scroll down, go to apps and then go to apps again. And now all what you have to do on this page is you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. As you can see, now just scroll down until you find TikTok app and click on it. And now as you can see, what you have to do here is click on force stop and then go to storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and after you click that, go back and click on the permissions and make sure to enable all those permissions. Go back, and now all what you have to do is restart your phone, and then I am sure that the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.